And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to check last seen on Instagram if hidden. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So basically speaking, you cannot directly check someone's last seen status on Instagram. If someone has hidden their activity status, it won't be visible. If the activity status is hidden, you will see a stamp indicating when they were last active, or if they haven't explicitly hidden their activity, or you won't see any indication at all suggesting they have turned it off. So this is because Instagram allows user to control who can see the activity status and who cannot. If someone has hidden the activity status, they're effectively opting out of sharing their online presence with others. So to see if someone has hidden their status or not, simply open their direct inbox. Once you open their direct inbox, you won't see a dot or a timestamp, and you might only see the last sent message instead. This is because they have hidden their privacy or they have hidden their activity status. So this is how you can simply know if they have hidden their last seen or not. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.